My beloved Chikere, how is America treating you? How is your new job? I hope the season snow didn't affect you. It's been 6 months now, and I haven't heard from you. I am worried. You have not replied my letters. Is everything alright? Your mobile number is switched off. I want to hear from you. I want to be sure you are fine. I hope this letter finds you well. Always remember that I love you. Your love, Obioma.
You're still awake.
No, you scared me.
I scared you. You were lost. I only brought you back. What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Lately you have not been your cheerful self. What is the problem?
No, I'm fine. It's just stress from work.
You're not fine. It's obvious you're worried. When was the last time Chikere got in touch with you? You can't answer. Because he has not gotten in touch with you lately.
Mama, he will call me. Maybe, who knows, he's busy with his newfound job.
Yes. He's busy with his newfound job. So busy that he cannot take out a few minutes to call you. Mom, laugh the wrong way. Stop deceiving yourself. It's obvious Chika has found another woman over there.
That's not possible. It's not possible, Mama.
It's not possible. Did you say it's not possible? Stop deceiving yourself, Obioma. Stop deceiving yourself. Wake up to the realities of life. I mean, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Why are you sitting here deceiving yourself like nothing is going on? The man doesn't call you, he doesn't write nothing. Now, let me tell you something. Don't you think Chikere has been calling his mother? Has it ever occurred to you? Because he doesn't call you. He doesn't call you because he's not interested. Yes, spending the whole night. Let him look at that. Like a small school girl. Flat them, stop deceiving yourself, my dear Obioma. Feel like don't go to sleep. did not eat your food.
I'm not hungry.
Obioma, you're not hungry. Why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? When would you realize that it is time for you to move on? I mean, Chikere's silence says it all. He has no time for you. You come and forget that man and handle your life and move on. I mean, there are a lot of young men out there that are ready to marry. If only you would give them a chance.
Why are you hurting me? Mama, you're hurting me with your words. Chikere hasn't said he won't get married to me. Why are you saying all this? Why are you saying this? He loves me.
Hey! Etanola! Mom, wake up. Wake up! Oh. Have you not heard of Nigerian young men that travel abroad? And then they come back with white wives. You need to suppress their Nigerian women. He's not even married to you yet, though.
Mama, I have heard you. But I still want to remind you that Chikere hasn't forgotten about me. And he will get married to me when he returns.
It's too early for this. Let me tell you something, or whether you get angry or not, I will be here waiting. And I will sit here and laugh at you when the time comes. Nenonia, Chikere last me. Ilo, you wala weba o. Nekwa ina ya ngwa mambu kwa nejano. As for na magwaroi. Content.
I don't understand that love so foolish for love. Love
don't ask me that question. I want my money. Only language I want to hear now is my money.
Jeff, I told you to be patient with me.
Patient? For how long will I be patient? Oh, you think I don't know that you sent the money to your boyfriend in abroad? Thank God he is making money now. So I want you to call him, tell him to send my money within 3 days. I said 3 days. If you don't send my money within 3 days, I will disgrace you in this village. I said 3 days. 3 days I give you.
You come to see me. Yes, Mama. How was work today?
Fine. Mama, you're washing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me assist you.
No, I'm almost through. Except to help me to rinse this one.
Oh, okay. How have you been now? Thank God, my daughter.
Hey. Loneliness, but
Don't worry, I'm here now.
I know.
How can you be lonely? This top is beautiful. It's original.
Yes, it is. Chikere sent it to me. See, he bought so many clothes for me too.
Chikere did?
Not just that, he brought plenty dollars. Can't you see I'm putting on weight now? See, if you go inside, you see slippers, shoes, fine handbags. Lekwa, yes, my one praise me. Hey, my daughter. Is the dress not beautiful?
Mama is very beautiful. Mama, let me bring more water. Do you know Chikere has been sending things to his mother? Chikere sent his mother clothes, bags, shoes. Is this how wicked men could be?
Oh my dear, you don't have to kill yourself. Huh? Don't kill yourself.
What do I do now?
But wait, men are wicked. Maybe one white woman is occupying his time over there. I've always told you to get a man. Get a man so that you won't get caught on his return.
Did you say white woman?
Black man.
I think I can take this anymore. This is unfair.
You deserve to be happy.
Everybody is chicken and chicken. There's so many young men outside there.
I'm not doing it. Let me see yours.
Don't you say white woman?
Black man.
She's not going to die if you act fast. She needs somebody to donate blood. You call any of your siblings to come and donate.
Doctor, my only brother is not in the country.
Look, we have to do something fast. Call somebody, a relative, a friend or something. Or better still, if you have money, let's get some blood from the blood bank. Please, excuse me.
I don't have any money here with me.
You never come and get money.
I got some money. Okay, that's a good one.
Come in.
I have some money here.
How much is that?
6,500 naira.
Hey, that money is too small, so we don't get enough to purchase the blood.
Ah, doctor, please, help me save my mother, please. I have no other money, please.
It's alright. Go and send us with your mom. Tell her to get your mother's pistol.
Okay.
Look at the blood bag if she can find her blood type.
Thank you very much, doctor. God bless you. Thank you, doctor.
insists on her blood type is not in the blood.
We must do something to save this woman. What do we do?
I don't know how to do it.
What's your blood type?
I don't know, doctor.
Nurse, please, take her blood sample and get her blood woman. Please, fast. We have to save this woman. Please. Yes, come in.
Doctor, I'm afraid there is a problem.
What's the problem?
Doctor, their blood types are not same.
Scheiße. What do we do?
I don't know. No.
Doctor, my mother. She's shivering, she's shaking. Please come on.
Look, let's go and see what is happening. You have to run to the city immediately to get some blood. We will do something urgently to save this woman.
I don't know there's no way I'll get to the city and come back. It will be late.
Please, we have to do our best. Please.
Please save my mother, please.
I could give my blood. Yes, we share the same blood group.
Thank you very much. God will bless you. Thank you.
Kindness to your man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
How are you doing?
Come on. My daughter, you are the one who saved my life.
Come on, Mama, it's nothing. We are here to save lives. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Thank God for today.
Good to hear that.
My daughter, you always see good.
Amen.
A helper will come your way in time of need.
Amen.
You will never die young.
Amen.
You will never die poor.
Amen.
God will surely bless you.
Amen. Okay, Mama.
Take care of Mama. I'll see you later.
Okay. Let me see you.
To where?
So I'll see you off to the office.
Richie, don't worry. Soon I'll take you to my office. But for now, you have to stay with Mama. Take care of her.
Okay.
Take care of her. See you later.
Okay, bye.
Oh, Mama, she's so kind.
I'm so beautiful.
What are you doing now? Oh my God, you scared me. Thank God for that.
Obioma. So I'm calling now.
I heard you, Abuchi.
Obioma, I'm here for Mama.
I'll give you.
Obioma, you have been saying this for the past 6 months. Obioma. Ha.
Abuchi, this time I'll give you money.
How am I sure about that?
Abuchi, I've been saving. I will give you your money.
You're saving. Obioma, you are working and they are paying you salary. What are you doing with your money? Obioma. Obioma. How many times did I call you Obioma?
Abuchi, I'll give you.
See, the truth is that I am giving you 1 month. In this 1 month, if I don't get my money, Obioma, believe me, heaven will fall. I have just told you.
I will give you. Mama, I'll see you later.
Yeah, Obioma. When are you going to fix that leaking roof that I mentioned to you? You promised you would fix it this week.
Mama, I told you I'm going to do something about it.
You'll do something about it. When? When is the question? This morning? Tonight? Tomorrow? I need to know when you're going to fix it.
I don't have money now, but I'll do something about it.
That is all I keep hearing from you. You have no money. You never have money. You're a working class girl. What do you do with your money? Where do you keep your money?
I'll fix it.
When? Look at the roof. It's leaking badly. Eh? Before you know it, we'll be swimming inside this house. Better do something about this thing and do it fast.
Mama, I'm going. I've heard you, but I'm going to fix it. Is it not just this silly? I'll do it. But Mama, I'm running late. I need to be on my way. Every time like this one happens.
Get this kid. Working class girl. And yet every time I ask her for money, she says she doesn't have. Something is wrong with this kid. Oh my friend, Obioma! Obioma! Obioma!
Joma.
What?
Guess. What? Tell me now.
No, stop.
Guess now, please. Your sister, she has given birth. Guess again.
So what is it?
Just guess. Tell me now. Chikere is back.
What's going on?
Chikere is back.
Chikere is back! Chikere!
Mama, Chikere is back.
Is that why she's jumping up and down like a cricket? Mama Chale Kante. Chicken is back. So what? Hey, Mom, Waka.
We're coming now.
Chicken is back. I will be your one.
Obioma, the month to soon end, I'll come for my money, Obioma, wait for me. Obioma! Obioma! Help me remind Obioma that the month to soon end. I'm coming for my money,
Smell of smoke. Why are you dressed like
Don't
this?
mind me, I was actually cooking when I heard you were around. So I decided to come and see you. I missed you.
You should have washed them. You stink. Putrid, filthy.
Honey?
Your baby.
Who is she?
Oh, one of those village bingos that helps Mama always in charge.
Oh. And why is she screaming?
Wow, like a village girl, you know, she saw a truck and she screamed. When she sees my Bugatti back on the stage, she got a drop there.
Yeah, baby.
Manslaughter.
Oh my God.
So this is what you're saying.
I don't understand that. I'm a fool for love. I'm foolish for my love. I don't understand why love
I just feel like killing myself. I just feel like dying.
So you want to kill yourself because of a man? Okay. See, Chikere has done what other men do. All you have to do is move on.
If you want to die, I want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
Okay, let's go.
Don't you listen to me. Don't listen to me. Ijoba been there for Chikere right from when Chikere was homeless in America. Ijoba, I sent him all my salary. I took care of his mother when she was ill. I'm hungry. Just last year, since everything I had on me, while I live under a leaking roof with my mother, just this past year, he sent chicken everything I had on me. I even had to borrow from Abuchi. To give to Chike. Chike request me as a village girl. It was 90 something. Oh. This is so unfair. Chicken is so wicked and malicious. You know I've always told you that a boyfriend abroad is not a prospective husband. You know it. These are my friends about this. You will survive this. Get out everything.
I don't understand that all.
I'm not surprised. After going to Chikere's house, you're here, right? I warned you. But you will not listen. I warned you in Igbo. I warned you in English. I even sang. But you will not listen. You were blinded by love. Crying for a man that doesn't even care for you. What are you crying for? If you're not there, mate.
My heart is broken.
I told you. I sang it as a song. You sing it at Tanola, you refuse to listen. Nonsense.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Yeah, she's so ashamed of herself. You can't never not fella. If you're ashamed of yourself, you will go inside your room, lock the door so nobody can gain entrance. Then stay there and weep your shame away. You're crying for a man who doesn't even know you exist. Oh my God, you're American boy. Hey! You're your own. American boy. Oh my see, American boy.
Why are you behaving as if I'm going to die in America?
I just feel you won't love me if you return.
Obioma, I can never leave you.
I love you and I'll miss you.
I love you too, and I'll miss you too.
You're not wearing your shoelace.
Don't worry, I'll get a golden shoelace over there.
Okay, just a shirt.
Mama, you forgot your shoes.
Mama, I won't be needing these shoes over there in America. I'm going to get better ones, okay? Just take care of yourself. Obioma will be coming around to help you with some domestic toys.
It's okay, my son. And you make sure you don't come back in with another woman.
Mama, I cannot leave Obioma. She's my wife.
Chikere, you can never trust a man until he has gotten all he wants.
Mama,
Mama,
I have to catch up with my flight. Mama, pray for me. Okay, Mama.
I'll see you later. Are you serious? You send powder, eyeshadow, all those beautiful
Yes, our traditional marriage in this village. Baby, I'm planning. Come on, let me show you around. Come on.
Please, I'm sorry if I've offended you. Please, I still love you. Chikere, please, if you do this to me, I won't survive it because no, Chikere.
I don't love you anymore. I don't.
Chikere, please, I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. Oh, please.
As you can see, I said I don't love you anymore.
No. Okay, no problem. I just want to know what I've done. What is it that I've done to deserve this? What, Chikere?
I don't have time to be talking. Is it a point when someone says he doesn't want to marry you?
It's okay if you don't want to marry me again, but Chikere, please tell me. What have I done? Where, when, what? Why?
You better leave. The face is going to change your heart. Not better back in the States. If my fiancé sees you, she'll tell you. She's a lot better back in the States.
Why is she there?
She came to beg for cash. You know, that's the doctrine of the village. When you come back to Africa, you beg for cash.
Young lady, I don't want to ever see you in this company ever again. You got it?
Please, no. Chikere, please. Please.
You know what? Get out. You don't want to see the bitch in me. Trust me. You don't want to bring that bitch in me. Get out.
Baby, kick her ass.
Kick your ass. Get out. Get out. Now. Bitch, put it up.
And that's my baby child.
Nigga, you can handle that bitch. Nigga, you couldn't handle that bitch?
She's just a little bitch. Wow. When I saw you in the streets, I couldn't get my eyes.
treating me right.
You don't.
I don't deserve this now. What is it I've done to Chike to deserve this now? Mama, this is unfair. This is unfair. This is unfair, Mama. It's unfair.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'll do something about it. Oh, I will talk sense into you.
Oh, I just want to know. Did he say anything I did to him? What is it? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Chike, Mama.
It's okay. Stop crying. I promise you I'll do something about it. Oh, what have you done? It's okay. Stop.
Mama, don't tell me how I have to live my life. I'm not your man.
You need to see your mask. What you did to her is totally unacceptable. How could you tell I don't want to marry her again?
Mama, I can't marry such a girl.
What is wrong with Obioma? Why do you want to leave her?
Mama, she's done nothing wrong.
Wait, don't tell me you want to leave her because of that smoker of a girl you brought home.
Mama, do not address my fiancé as such.
Don't tell me how to address her. Now tell me.
Mama, I was never holding Obioma. Look, I never took any drink to her parents. Mama, I have made my choice. Obioma is not good enough for me.
I disagree with that. I will not leave and allow you to treat her that way. Why don't you send words to her all this while to marry? When you knew you're no longer interested in her.
Mama, is Obioma a baby? Doesn't she know when the water stop running? Mama, look, I cannot come back from America and get married to a village girl, bush girl. Mama, look at me. Just look at me. I'm polished.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Obioma is not a village girl.
Then what is she?
Chikere, do you realize she can place a curse on you for treating her this way?
Mama, let her go ahead and place a curse on me. Let her even carry out what I'm putting on my head. Mama, look, it's over. I said it's over. Over.
Chikere! Chikere! What's wrong with this boy? Chikere! I'm talking to you! Come back here! Look at this boy! Chikere! Where are you going to? Where are you going to with that bag? What is in that bag? Obioma! Obioma, you want to kill yourself! You want to kill yourself because of that useless boy! Eh? You tell one way! In Apwala! Is it the only young man in this village? Eh?
I don't understand that all gini neme. Obia womunala, mbuluzia liberibe,
Open this door. Open this door. Look, I hope you're not doing anything stupid in there. Obiama, open this door. Open the door, Obiama, open the door.
I'm a fool for love. I'm foolish for my love. I don't understand why love do me like this.
So you're still seated here, lamenting over that stupid man.
Mom, please. I want to be left alone.
I want to be left. I've left you alone for 2 good days and nothing came out of it. Absolutely nothing.
Mama, what is it? Mama, if you don't want me in this house anymore, I will leave this house for you.
Hey, you're not leaving to go anywhere. You're staying here. Oh, Champo, now that I need money to fix the leaking roof, you want to leave. You're not going anywhere till you give me the money. You must provide that. She walked out on me. She actually walked out on me. Look at this stupid girl. She never provides anything for the house. Yet she walked out on me. She never has money. Why did I waste my money sending this girl to nursing school? Why did I waste my hard-earned money? How can a girl work and not be able to provide? Don't give me fair car.
Chineke, otutoma onye na-ememma, otutoma agụ na-eche mba, otutoma Chineke, otutoma Chineke, otutoma agụ na-eche mba, otutoma Jehovah Yahweh, otutoma Ututoma Chineke mo. Ututoma. Ututoma Chineke. Ututoma onenenema.
Mama, good morning. Good morning, my daughter. I hope you had a good night's rest. I slept well, Mama. What about you?
Ututoma Chineke. Ututoma. Ututoma Gunechemba. Ututoma onenenema. Ututoma onyenabaya. Ututoma Gunechemba. Ututoma onenenema. Ututoma. Ututoma Chineke. Ututoma. Ututoma Gunechemba. Ututoma. Ututoma Chineke. Ututoma onenenema. Agunechemba mo. Jehovah Yahweh. Holy and Loreni.
Don't forget what I told you about the weekend.
I'll do something about it.
No, Obura will do something. Oh, when?
Mama, when I'm back, I'll do something about it.
Where's my money? I said I want my money.
I have the money, but I was on my way to your house to ask for you to visit.
See, don't even try that rubbish with me. Oh. You think I didn't see you coming out from the bank the other day?
Yes, I went to the bank the other day, but I have the money here, but if I give you everything, I'll have nothing left to repair our lady.
See, I don't care. All I need now is my money. That money is too big for me to live for you. I want my money now. I need my money, oh! I need my money! Oh, wait. Do you want people to gather here for us?
No.
Fine. So, give my money. Give my money now. You're looking at me.
You fail.
Hope this money is complete. Thank you, stars. I just start to get this money.
Maid picked me back in my room. Let me force you. They can tell you. Rain was all over me. I fix it. Sorry. Your man is so step by step yesterday. This pain by myself. Hey. By the way, your brother said he said that he gave you just 1 week to pay off his school fees. Let's see, 3 laptops. Sorry.
Inside and get my clothes so we can go to the hospital. Eh?
No, Sabiora. Your mother is in a critical condition. The result to have her treat that she has pneumonia. And you need to make some deposit so that we can give her proper treatment.
Oh, doctor, you know I've not been paid.
We were all paid last month.
You understand.
Make me understand. You've been working here close to 2 years. Are you telling me you've not been saving?
Doctor, please, this is a long story. All I want you to help me do is just to take good care of my mom. While I go out there and run out for money, please, I beg you, please.
Also, Bioma, you and I know the rule here. I don't want to run into problem with the director. If there's anything you can do to raise money, please, do. Please. And do that fast. That's the only way I can help you.
I know, but doctor, you could still do something. Thank you.
Please make it fast.
Obioma. Point of correction, call me child money.
You're not that sick. She's dying.
I thought you work in a hospital. Why didn't you take her there?
She's already in the hospital, but you know, they won't treat her if I don't deposit money, and I don't have.
Yeah. I don't have money also.
You know pneumonia is a dangerous sickness. Please. She's dying. Please.
Obioma. I said I don't have. Why are you looking for every opportunity to speak with me? Why?
No, I'm not looking for an opportunity to talk to you. I'm only here for help.
Haven't you been serving all this while?
Yeah, but you know the last money I had on me, I sent it to you while you were abroad. You had problem.
Look. Let me tell you this. Don't think I survived in America with a little change you said into me. Look, I worked hard for my money and I earned it and I got a name. Check money. So I don't have any money, period. Yeah.
Okay, you have this money, please, I beg. What happened? So this now? So do you know I've gone around looking for who to borrow me money? Yet I didn't get anybody to give me.
Where is Mama?
Mama is in the hospital.
What wrong?
No, so sickness. Mama is in the hospital asking me what's wrong. Sickness!
Show a little kindness, do some good, help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need, show some love. We are here for a very short time.
Mama! What is my son? Mama, look at you! You all fly! Fresh! She's got my I'll give her a hug! It's so good to be home! My son!
How is London?
London is cool, London is great, Mom. Yeah.
Is this your car?
Mama, don't worry, we'll talk about that. But right about now, I want to feed on my favorite meal. Woo!
Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problem.
Please, I've come to play with you. I don't know if I can. If you can lend me some money. Once I get my salary, I'll pay you back. Please.
So pure. I would have loved to help. But my mother-in-law is leaving this weekend. And the little money I have to buy things for her. Please bear with me.
Doctor, see, any amount you can give to me will do. Please.
I'm very sorry. You need salary now. I'm working on a very tight budget. Please. I'm very sorry. Maybe some other time. Please bear with me. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Are you out of your senses?
I'm so sorry, sir.
How do you mean you're sorry? Huh?
I'm sorry. My mind wasn't there. I'm sorry.
How do you mean you're sorry? Hey, look at me. I'm talking to you, you're walking out? Huh?
No, please, I am sorry.
Oh, no, I guess you're looking for someone else to land the trouble, not me.
No, sorry.
You better watch it.
Please, I said I'm sorry. Sorry.
Okay. Where are you headed to? Do you mind if I give you a lift? I'll drop you home.
My home is just down there.
I know. And that is why I want to drop you, okay? Hey, come on.
Amelia.
Right.
Can you please tell me what is it you were thinking of? You almost got hit by my car.
So I should have pleaded that I'm sorry.
I know, I have heard you.
Every person has this issue they don't feel like sharing with strangers.
Okay, then stop seeing me as a stranger, okay? Can you please tell me what is bothering you? It's okay. I would like to visit you, maybe tomorrow next.
But you know I'm always busy at work.
Yeah, I know. That's the reason why I'm going to visit you. Not to worry, I'll come at the right time. Is that a yes?
Yes.
Sister, who was that? Your friend. How is Mama?
Mama is doing good too. Have you prepared the food I asked you to prepare?
Yes, but there was no problem.
Okay, see what you do. Prepare some that you take to Mama. Yeah?
Sister?
Eh?
Don't watch it.
I said prepare some and take to Mama. Stay there and be talking about chicken.
Where's my money? Where's my money?
You went out last night, remember? You had the wallet with you.
Shut what the fuck are you
money, take
taking my money since I
Oh my God!
back from America. What's wrong with you?
I don't want your money.
Shut up, I'll kill you. I'm gonna blow your brains out, man.
Fuck you!
Fuck you, is it because you're a US citizen? You come down here and I'm gonna fuck around. I'm gonna kill you right now. I'm gonna kill you.
There's nothing you're gonna do, nigga. There's nothing.
Child, you're driving me.
You motherfucker, there's nothing you're gonna do to me.
minute, member!
Nothing you can do, okay?
Maybe I was just joking. You know I love you? Shot, baby? What have you done? Hey, Chika, what have you done? What? Let's take her to the hospital.
How much are we talking about? And your brother's fees?
15.
Your brother have to go back to school today if possible, okay? You can use the remaining one for your mother's welfare.
Thank you so much. God will bless you.
Amen. God will bless you too. Now you have to hurry up, okay? I will run down to the site now and I'll come pick you later in the evening.
Okay. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time.
So, I want you to go back home. I left some money for you there. You have to go back to school.
Sister, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Take care of yourself.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love.
boy.
Okay.
Hey. Thank you so much for bringing us back. Eh? God will bless you abundantly.
Amen. Amen.
Mele, won't you come inside?
Oh, not to worry. I have to rush to town to pick up something, okay? But I'll be back here tomorrow to check on you and Mama. Be good. Okay. Bye.
Emily. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So as I said, I'll be here by tomorrow, okay? Be good.
Bye-bye. Seems like the young man is a nice man.
Yes, he is.
I saw the way you were looking at him. Stop! Emily! Mama, stop!
Oh, Mama, stop.
I like this one.
Oh, stop.
I like this one.
Stop. Mama, let's go inside.
When you held him, did you feel anything?
Oh, Mama! Hey, Mama.
Let's go
inside.
Oh, let me sit here.
Okay, Mama.
Because cheer deliver. Hey, no, get an apple for Nanya.
Hello. Hello, Mama. Yes! I have great news to share with you.
Alright, on my way.
Right.
I don't understand that all.
You need to see this girl I'm talking about. She's so humble and beautiful.
Is that why you don't want to meet the one I'm talking about? Because of one girl?
Mama, forget about the one you're telling me. Forget! You need to see this one. See, she's someone I have personally taken my time to observe. I mean, she has all the qualities you ever need in a woman. See, imagine a woman that is so beautiful, peaceful, calm, intelligent, and above all, very, very beautiful, Mama. You need to see her.
I see you pretty.
I'd
like to meet her.
Don't worry, I'll bring her to you soon. You meet her.
Hello! How are you?
I'm fine.
How's work?
You aren't stalking me, are you?
Is that what it's called? Stalking?
Good evening.
Good evening. My mother wants to meet you.
Your mother? Why?
I don't know.
You do, you know.
Seriously, I don't know.
But she has not met me before. Why does she want to see me?
Nothing. She just wants to see me. Hey, don't give me that look, okay? Come on, the car. Come on. Hold on. Can someone tell me what's happening here? Do you know her?
She's the one I've been telling you about.
She's the one that donated her blood to save a man's life.
No. Wait a minute. You mean she's the one you... Oh my God. You are great!
My daughter. God has destined this. You don't have to think twice about it. Please.
Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very
You're so excited. Is there something you want to tell me? Hey, talk to me now. This is Mama. Say something.
Mama, you see this girl. Mommy, Ruchineka been anyway.
I know he's awesome.
There is none like him.
Man, I never knew me feature. Come talk to me.
Mama.
Yes.
Did I tell you about a helpless woman I donated my blood for?
That woman in the hospital. Wait, that time you came back and was asking for help. Yes, I remember.
Mama, do you know that woman is Emilia's mother?
I say, you're not serious. You're actually serious, eh?
Mama, they were planning to come and see me before now.
Hey. Hi. It is good to be kind. It is surely good to be kind.
Mama, I am telling you. I am telling you, Mama. See, Mama, the truth of the matter is, Emilia proposed to me.
I said, hey, what did you say?
Yeah. I couldn't help myself. I had to say yes.
Yes.
Big yes.
You said yes.
Yes, Mama.
Yesterday, yes.
Yes.
I will marry you. Hey! How? You said naturally you came to come from Muka.
Yes, Mama.
You get married.
Yes.
Tijoku. Hey!
Mama, you even said he wants to do everything before weekend. So that by next month, you'll be taking me to London.
Chalo? London? Obioma going to London. So finally you cross River Night. Hey! See Lagos.
Mama.
Before you go to London.
London.
Hey!
London.
Oh! Hey! This God, eh? You are an awesome God. Hey! Chuku. Amara ya baru bane baino. Amaragi. Baru bane baino. Amara chuku baru bane. Amara chuku baru bane baino. Hey!
Amaraji
Baru bane baino. Baru bane baino. Amara chuku Hey, you know, I'm still surprised. Surprised at how you went out of your way to help those people. I doubt if they even realize what you did for them. I mean, in spite of your own burdens that you had on your shoulders, you still did so much. Sometimes I just wonder why you did it.
I don't care if they appreciate or not. I did it for God. I didn't do it for them. Mama, I remember what happened to Vicky.
Vicky.
No, I don't think so.
Thank God. Doctor, this thing has happened to him 3 times this week. We need to do something.
Don't worry. He's going to be fine. He just needed some rest. Okay?
Okay. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Mr. Boke, you have to go to our headquarters tomorrow, okay? Where they can treat you free. And then secondly, to deal with hepatitis cases like this one. As you can see, we've tried our best, but you're not improving at all.
No, doctor, I've heard you, but I don't have transport fare to go to the headquarters.
I understand. Don't worry. I'll make some money available for you, okay?
Thank you so much, doctor.
I'm going to be fine.
Here's for you.
I have been transferred to a community health center.
Yes. And you are expected to be there in the next 24 hours.
Doctor, is there nothing we can do about this?
Something like what? What are you saying?
Maybe we could reshuffle this. Doctor, I don't want to work in a rural area. Doctor, please just tell me anything. I will give you anything. Just tell me what you want. Anything you want, please, Doctor.
What are you really saying? Trying to bribe me or what?
No, not at all. I'm just asking if we could arrange something. This.
My goodness. You are a disgrace to medical profession. Leave my office.
Doctor, this is not...
I said leave my office! Leave my office before I do something that you regret. Get out!
She pushed into a village. How do I survive?
Obioma! 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 I've been calling you since you used to answer me.
Sorry, Mama. I was washing.
Hey! Take a look at yourself. Are you getting any younger?
Mama, do you know you almost scared me today?
I've not started scaring you. Don't you think you should be getting married now? Now that you're young and fresh like a pumpkin. Instead of wasting your life waiting for that stupid boy in America. Laura.
Mama, marriage is not my problem. At least for now.
No! It is my problem. Marriage is my problem now. I need you to marry so that I can carry my grandchildren and have an in-law that will help me take care of the things around this house. Yes! But you sit back. You waste your time writing love letters, making love calls, sleeping love sleep, dreaming love sleep. That boy will not add anything to your life. The sooner you realize it, the better for you.
Mama Biko, can I just rest? We'll talk tomorrow. It's late. You really just call me out here to talk about marriage. I'll get married when the time comes. Leave me alone, Mama.
When which time comes? Which time are we talking about?
Hey, Mama, what is it now?
Yes. What about the doctor? You already?
I've not seen the doctor today. I heard he has been transferred. The new doctor is on her way.
What about my letter?
Letter? He didn't drop any letter. So what did they tell you at the headquarters?
They said I must come with a referral letter, else they won't treat me.
You serious?
Yes. Yes, please. You have to help me. Please.
Vicky, I can't do anything now. I think you should just go and see Dr. Ben. Who knows, maybe he will do something.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've been caring and so helpful to me. God bless you.
Bless you too. It's my job.
Thank you.
See you later.
What is this money for?
Mama, for the food items now.
500 naira to buy food items. What do you think 500 naira can buy?
Mama, you said you need to buy food items and I've given you money and you're here complaining.
You know, sometimes you just behave as if you do not have any money. What is this now? Eh? Or you don't know what is happening in the country?
I don't have.
You never have. And you do not care. Do you realize that I use my life savings to send you to nursing school? And now that you're out, you do not care for us, you do not provide for us. 500 naira to buy food things. It's not fair. Eh? You don't care about me, you don't care about your brother and also.
Hey, Mama, what is it now? Why are you making me look like I don't take good care of you and also?
Why? But do you take care of us? Tell me, when was the last time you visited Nonso in school? Very soon you will be kicked out of school. Eh? Lady caretaker, I can see you're taking very good care of us. Look, if I had an in-law, at least he would have made sure I had oboroko and mangala to eat. Then I would look fresh and young. Manamba, you will not give us the money, you will not marry.
Mabiko, don't start, please.
I shouldn't start?
Yes.
I shouldn't start. Kangwagi, If you're not ready for me to talk about husband, then provide for us. Give us money to feed. What is all this nonsense?
Mama Biko, I'm running late. I'll see you when I get back here.
What can I call you? $500. So we're waiting for you. When you come back, you chew it now. I'm waiting for GFM.
Why are you still around?
I told you I have a phobia for rural areas. That's why I'm begging you, please kindly do something for me.
There is absolutely nothing I can do about it. And I don't want to see you around here tomorrow.
Why must it be that? Am I not one of the best in this state? Why must I be sent to somewhere where I will face mosquitoes and...
Beatrice, you're shouting in my office.
I'm sorry, doctor, that's because I'm hungry.
Good luck.
But Ma, is there not something you can just...
Listen, Beatrice, the earlier you start going there, the better for you. The special thing from Abuja might get there before you. And you know what that means.
Never dreamt of staying in a rural area. City is my life. I can't cope in a village. I can't survive there. I can't.
Excuse me, Dr. Beatrice.
Doctor, please just look into it.
Leave my office.
Has gotten lost.
So, I'm going to die very soon.
Going to die? Why are you talking like that?
I heard hepatitis B is so deadly and very dangerous. What did I do? What did I do, nurse?
See, again, don't worry. The new doctor will resume work very soon. But before then, I think you should see Dr. Ben. Biko.
I don't have strength to come meet Dr. Ben. You don't understand me. My head, all my body, everywhere is...
Sorry, yeah? Sorry. Let me get something for you. Sorry.
Hello. How do I find my way to the community health center?
Oh. Just go straight, then take your left. She can't even say thank you. I think you're this one now. This time now, you come make a show.
Are you blind? Can't you see the car broke down?
Oh, sorry. Let me check if it's the battery so I can...
What are you trying to do?
I want to check if it's the battery so that I can help you and assist you and fix it.
Are you a mechanic?
Not really.
So?
From the battery.
It's not from the battery. Of course I told you you don't know anything and you can't possibly fix this car. Just kindly help me push the car so that I can start it.
Push it? Sorry, I can't push. I'm not feeling so well. Please, if you can be patient, I will arrange some boys that will assist you and push the car.
Arrange some boys? My God, you all are all the same. You mean you can't get boys to help me push this car without asking for money?
Excuse me, madam. I didn't say you should give me money.
So what do you mean by the word arrange? You all are all the same. Selfish set of illiterates. To calm down. That woman hates me. I mean, how can she ask me to come to this terrible place? Now my car broke down. I can't even find a mechanic to fix it.
Madam. Start the lesson.
Are you sure?
Just try this.
Please just help me close the bonnet.
Okay, ma'am. Madam, wait! Wait! Madam! Wait! Hold on.
Yes?
Your phone. This woman wicked though. Just to find even small thing. Hi. Don't worry. Tomorrow is another day. This stupid woman. Nah,
Mr. Man, will you get your filthy hands off that car?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you know how much this car cost? Can your forefathers or your father afford this car?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Anyway, what's your name?
Bike.
Wiki.
Yeah, Chibike.
Don't you have an English name?
No, ma. Sorry. I'm not an Englishman.
You should have an English name.
I don't like English names.
Alright. My name is Dr. Beatrice. But I like it when I'm called B.
B?
Yes, B.
Is that why you're... Oh, sorry. Well, it's okay, ma. I'm a farmer.
Oh, I see. That's why you're always looking this dirty and unkempt. But why would a man like you be doing peasant farming?
Because it's better than doing nothing.
Oh. Anyway, it's my birthday on Tuesday. And I only thought it wise to invite you at least so that you could have some good food. You're always looking hungry and starved. By the way, when you are coming to my house, make sure you don't come looking all smelling and dirty like this. Clean yourself up. Is that okay?
Madam, thank you. I don't go to bed days.
My friend, that is a good response.
Well, all that you said is even much rude.
Anyway, suit yourself. I don't have
Why would they give this kind of doctor a license? No wonder your name is B.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
Yes, I went to the farm.
Vicky, you went to the farm in your condition.
No, so what do I do? I was hungry, so I had to go and look for food.
It's okay. The good news now is that the new doctor has changed work. She's joined yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good news. So, can I go in now and see her?
She has rule. You have to take number during consultation. After that, you go one after the other. Do you understand? So you have to go and come back on Tuesday. But before then, I promise I will get your food across to her.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your concern.
Wiki, right?
Yes, doctor.
What do you want? It's not yet my birthday.
Sorry, doctor. I heard you're the new doctor at the health center.
Yes.
Please. I can't.
Wiki or whatever you call yourself. I hope you're not thinking I'm going to give you some money because you helped me pick up my phone. Mr. Man, I don't have any money to give to you.
Please. I can't. Why can't you just calm down and listen to me?
Okay. Listening.
Doctor, please. You need to help me. I'm dying.
You're dying. Dying of hunger. Take a good look at me. Do I look like your mother? I mean, what is wrong with everybody in this village? 5 people already came here to ask me for money since I got into this town. Why can't you all just look for something to do, get busy and make some money?
Doctor, I'm not for that.
I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to you. I better go inside before you spoil my food, like you always do. Wiki, whatever you call yourself. You can have this. I don't want it to look as if I am not grateful that you picked up my phone.
I don't need you, doctor.
You see how ungrateful. Well, my advice to you is that you go out, look for a job, work, make some money, be a man.
Why are you doing this to me? You're too educated to behave like this.
You idiot! What gave you the impetus to talk to me in that manner? Are you insane?
I'm not an idiot, doctor. Yes, I'm not an idiot. Why are you so wicked?
Now, dust up your godforsaken slippers. Gather up your low, self-esteemed personality and get out of my compound and find yourself stupid. Mr. Man, I said you should leave. Get out! My goodness! Look at this poor village rat talking to me in that manner. You haven't even finished taking your bath. You're talking to Dr. Beatrice.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time.
Yes, coming. And who asked you to sit?
I'm sorry.
What's your tag number?
18.
So why are you here?
Doctor, number 17 is not around.
Well, Mr. Man, you shouldn't be smart to rush in before another patient.
Dr. What? He left.
You don't talk when I'm talking. This is my office. Or you want to insult me the way you did your daddy?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self. What are you still doing here?
Doctor, please.
Leave this office. Next! Yeah, hold. Yes, Mr. Man. What do you want?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Well, if that's why you're here, I have called off the party.
Well, I'm not here for the party. I came to wish you well. So I'll give you this.
What's that?
Check it out yourself.
Whatever you call yourself. Listen, if you think I will forgive you for shouting at me the other day, you lie. I won't. I must make you pay. I won't forgive you in a hurry.
Even in the spirit of birthday?
Who's smiling with me? What's so funny?
I'm sorry.
You remove your ass from that seat? Who asked you to sit down? Do you know how much this seat cost? My friend sits on the floor. You're just so lucky today is my birthday. Seriously, I would have smashed your head for trying to sit on my couch.
Thank God it's your birthday. Well, you have a nice place here.
Oh, really? So you think because I was posted to this God-forsaken community, you think I'm a poor doctor? You think I don't have eyes for quality things, or I don't know when I see something that is good? You see, I might be saying, what do you even know about quality things? Just hold on, let me get you something to eat because I know you're starving already.
No, I'm okay.
No!
I'm not hungry.
You are not okay. You are very hungry. I can see it in your eyes. You are hungry.
Doctor, please. Instead of giving me food, can you just give me your attention, please?
For goodness sake, what is wrong with this man? Does this place look like a hospital to you? Just sit here and let me get you something to eat. Go on, take. Have it and stop looking at it. Have you seen this kind of food before? Eat it. It will make you look fresh. What does it look like? It's called Indomie. I know Indomie, tell you. I haven't tasted something like this. My dear, eat it. It will make you feel better, fresher, younger.
Thank you, I'm fine.
Well, I can see you are not in the mood to have some good food. Pick up your things, whatever you came with, and please leave. What gift? What's that?
Yeah, one double. I bought it for you.
Oh, what? What's that? Mr. Man, step out of this place. You want to work for me? Come on, see, who posted me into this kind of place? Who brought me to this community? Take your God-forsaken self out of my house!
You're a doctor. You should know this. This is better than this.
What do you mean by that? Okay.
This is fresh sugar. Jesus.
Mr. Man, back up your road. Your Uber and whatever you came with and leave my house. Please. I said you should leave. Do you want me to throw you out?
Sorry. Happy birthday.
Just get out.
Show a little kindness, do some good.
Obioma. 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 Mama. What's the matter with you? You left that small soup on the fire to burn up here. Come back here. It's okay, I've put it down.
Mama, I'm sorry, I entirely forgot.
Why won't you forget? Come on. I hope what I am suspecting has not happened. That boy has written to tell you that he's no more interested.
God forbid. Mama, God forbid, there is nothing like that. He won't leave me.
He won't leave you?
Yes.
Hey, look at you. He promised you that he was going to come back and take you to America. 2 years! I don't know, but he's been gone. Mom, you've not even crossed River Niger. Eh?
Mama, yes, he promised. But, Mama, you have to know that life over there is not easy.
Life is not easy. That man is not going to marry you. If you like, wait. Write love letters. He will not marry you. He will not come back here to marry you. Let me advise you. It is better for you to marry now that you're beautiful and young. And not wait until you're old and ugly. And one old man will come and marry you.
My love, where do you expect me to get this kind of money from? Where? Mama.
You know, I'll be going to the market tomorrow, in the morning, to buy the things that I will need for the Umuada meeting.
Okay.
You know, I need to buy slippers, handbag, headgear, and everything will cost roughly 10,000 naira only.
10,000 naira?
But you promised to give me the money at the end of the month now.
Where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
What do you mean you don't have money? I saw you counting money the other day. It seems you don't have money.
Mama, I wasn't counting any money.
Obioma Biko, I don't have time for long talk. Just give me the money you promised me. Let me go and buy my things for one other meeting. I will not be the only one that will look different on that day.
What is it? Why are you policing me? I said I don't have money.
Moa, policing you. I don't have time for your English show. All I know is that you must give me the money that you promised me. Once I give you the... You're working out on me. Obioma, Obioma, you will give me that money this night, though. Onyawa.
Mama, I want to quickly rush to town and fix something.
Which town?
Manager. All is well, Mama.
Biko, Mama, just try and come back here. No, there's no food in the house.
Okay, I'm very good.
You help me buy Our Lady's bed from Onitsha.
I will if I see.
You will see. Ada Chiacho. Hey. Stingy. Just as stingy as Safanos.
Show a little kindness. Do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
I hope you haven't come with anything stupid again.
Doctor, please, can I have the medical history?
Mr. Man, I have told you I don't want to talk about anything concerning that. What is wrong with you?
Please, my heart is beating, doctor. Please.
What rubbish are you talking about?
Well, I will think about it. Be sure to, whenever the letter is ready, tell Obioma to send for me.
By the way, I haven't forgiven you for what you did to me the other day.
Doctor, I'm sorry. was here the other day and your wife said you went out.
Oh yes, she told me. I hope all is well.
It's not really cheap. I'm sick. I was diagnosed from hepatitis B. Dr. Ben said he can't continue the treatment. I had to go to the headquarters. I went there, but they refused to give me attention. They said I must come with the medical history.
How would they tell you such a thing? I've never heard of a doctor refusing to treat a patient because of that.
I'm confused. I don't know what to do now.
This sounds strange. I understand the new doctor in our hospital has started work.
Yeah, so well, she didn't want to give me attention.
Why?
I don't know. I've begged her for over 2 weeks now.
Why must you beg her to do her job? It's her duty. Anyway, I will go and speak with her tomorrow. I will speak with her. I'll go to her office.
Wow. Thank you so much. I said I should come and see you now. Thank you, Chen.
I will speak with her.
I'll have to go now. I want to go to the farm.
To the farm? In your condition?
I don't know what. I have to go and look for
nothing is okay. And I speak with her.
Are you here to teach me my job? Are you here to tell me what to do? Are you the one who posted me here?
Young woman, I am not here to teach you. I am only telling you the right thing to do. Your job is to save lives. And you should take it seriously. Simple. Just take a look at the file, write your report indicating the treatment so far. That's all. Is that not what you call medical history?
Well, he doesn't know what he is saying. I won't give him a medical report.
But you can at least give him a referral letter.
Well, Joe, you can do that if you so wish. I don't have time for that. I am very certain that he wasn't rejected because of that referral letter. That is not possible. I mean, if it was not necessary, the doctor who was here would have given it to him before he left. You don't come to my office to tell me to do things that are not necessary.
Young woman, you have to do it.
And if I don't?
I will report you to the headquarters.
Well, you better do so before I do.
Pardon me. We shall see. I hope you do not regret this. I hope it does not get too late for you to do the right thing.
Mr. Man, leave my office. Mr. Man, leave my office. If I wasn't posted to this God-forsaken hospital, I'm sure this old-looking man wouldn't come here talking to me.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show love.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know. I think my liver is failing me. Do you know, I usually cough out blood.
What? Okay, don't worry. Doctor is around. I think you should see her.
She has refused to see me.
Why?
I don't know. You know that she sent me out the other day.
Oh, don't be. She's not like that. She's not bad.
I didn't tell you because I don't want to bother you and I don't want her to insult you because of me.
Don't worry. I think she's just stressed. But I'll talk to her. She will do something about your case. Don't worry. Let me get something for you. Yeah?
Show
Yes, who's there? Coming. Oh, Nosobio. Why is this file here?
Dr. B. BKM is dying.
Oh, that's the truth. My dear, I don't want to talk about it. Do you know that fool actually sent an old man here to insult me?
BKM is not who you think he is. He is not.
Oh, who is he? And why does he keep bothering me?
See, Dr. B. BKM has been sick for some time now. Dr. Ben was supposed to treat him, but he was just angry because the Igwe refused him getting married to his daughter.
Really?
Yes.
Well, Nosobio, I don't want to talk about that boy anymore. He's just one village illiterate.
See, BKM is one of the nicest young men in this community. Do you know where you are staying? He's the one that plastered and painted it.
Is that so?
Yes.
Is that why he keeps bothering me? Well, I can pay him to stay away.
Dr. B, it's not like that. He needs your help. We treated him, we tried all we could, but nothing was happening. They had to transfer him to Federal Medical Center. He went there, they asked him to go and get his medical history.
Well, Nosobima, that is not possible. No doctor in the headquarters will reject him because of his medical history.
That's what he said.
Anyway, what is wrong with him? What disease does he have?
They said hepatitis B.
Oh my God. He has hepatitis B?
Yes.
My God. Why didn't he tell me?
He tried all he could to tell you, but you were giving him a cold attitude.
Jesus, I actually thought he was one of these village beggars and miscreants.
He's not. See, as a matter of fact, BKM he's a nice person. He's not a bad boy at all. He's not. Do you know the sickness in question? He actually contacted his trying to save one small boy from drowning.
Oh, what have you done? What have I need to see him right away. Do you know where he lives?
I do.
Please take me to his house.
Forget your problems, forget your life. We are here for a very short time, so you show love.
I'm sorry, let me get my bag. Where are you going to? Hey, my bag. Just leave the handbag. I'm coming. My phone is inside. Just hurry up, please. Hurry up.
Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can.
This body is so hot. We have to take him to the hospital.
I'm so sorry.
Show a little kindness, do some good, help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can.
Nosobima, get some antibiotics fast.
Okay.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can.
I'm so bad. How are you?
I'm fine. You slept in?
Yes.
I did. Just help me with it. I need to go home and freshen up. Oh, okay. Don't talk. Vicky. Wake him, sir. Don't you think you should take him to the doctors? Quickly get him in chair. It's okay.
to him?
He has hepatitis B.
For how long?
So I don't know.
There is blood on his mouth. That shows that his liver has been affected badly.
Please.
Call a stretcher. Nurse!
No, Mama! Tell a nurse to get a stretcher. Okay. Tell one of the nurses to get a stretcher. Doctor, we need to do something quickly before we proceed.
Oh yes, we have to run a test on him first.
Yes, but I already told you he has hepatitis B.
Yes, but it seems he has something deadlier than hepatitis B.
Well, at least you can do something.
What is wrong with you? Am I not doing enough? We have to run a test on him first. Excuse me, please.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride.
Seriously, I don't know what to do. What did she say? A test must be run before any proper treatment. I'm so scared. What if he dies before something happens?
Nothing will happen to him. Let's wait for the test first. So, Dr. B, why are you getting yourself worked up? I said, let's wait for the test.
You're asking me why I'm getting myself worked up. Obioma, do you know what is about to happen?
Nothing will happen. Nothing.
You sent for me.
Yes. I need to see his medical history as soon as possible.
I didn't come over.
That's okay. Go and get it for me because I'll work with the report.
Okay, let me get it.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
He also has a severe typhoid and his liver damaged.
Doctor, what do we do? What do we do about this? Is there nothing we can do?
Dr. Beatrice, you know how much I hate trial and error.
What are you trying to say, doctor?
It's okay. Let's just not talk too much about this. I will begin with the treatment of hepatitis immediately.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Oh, you don't need to do this.
God bless you.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Let me just go and check on you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I want to get something down the road.
Alright. Just hope he recovers in no time.
He will. He'll be back soon.
Okay, alright. Are you okay? I'm alright.
Vicky. Vicky. Doctor!
He's doing better. At least he was able to drink some of this. Vicky, how are you doing? Anyway, just help me take care of him. I want to relax my cards for him.
Okay, oh sorry, doctor, before we go.
Yes, please. Where?
Mama called me. She said Ichie has been going around the village telling everybody that if anything happens to BK, you will have him to face.
Well, as you can see, Vicky is doing fine. So he cannot deal with me, Vicky will be fine. Anyway, just help me take care of my needs one.
I'm going to drop my water.
Take care.
Okay. What is it? Doctor! With me now. What is it? This game is acting up. Oh my goodness.
noticed that his breathing has changed.
Don't worry. We'll be fine, okay? Who is it to Dr. Beatrice?
Just a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
I wonder what is keeping her in Asaba. Have you checked her phone?
I've tried calling, but her number keeps saying switched off.
Excuse me.
Okay, it's okay, yeah? You'll be fine. Sorry. Sorry.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show a little kindness, do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better.
Nurse. She hasn't yet returned?
I've not seen her.
And her phone? Still off?
Switched off.
My goodness. What is keeping her? Why is she taking so much time?
Oh no.
I hope it's not late when she returns.
I pray so.
We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love.
Obioma, is everything alright? Obioma, talk to me. How is Wike? Is he alright?
Wike is fine.
She almost got me scared.
What kept you?
But yeah, my car broke down.
And your phone?
I had a low battery.
Dr. Beatrice, what is keeping you?
My car broke down.
It's okay. Any success?
Yes. your eyes, I beg you. Please. Please, just open his eyes. Tell him to open his eyes. Tell him to open his eyes. Please.
Why are you here?
I tried my best. Is it enough?
What are you talking about?
You two became to be with us. We didn't make it.
Don't understand what you're saying. Go straight to the point.
Dead.
Gini.
He's dead.
Just tell me it's a joke.
I tried everything, good house. I tried everything. I tried my best.
That young man kept begging you for treatment for the past 3 weeks and you refuse to treat him. Now you open your mouth and tell me you did your best. But you take lives. You are a wicked woman. You are a murderer.
I'm sorry.
Now that you have killed him, you can take his body. Do whatever you like with it. Eat it if you like. But don't ever dream of bringing that body back home. But I assure you, you will hear from us. Murderer, get out of the company. Now get out. Get out!
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you people still doing here? Now get out of my compound. I said get out. I will get the youth to come and bundle you out in a very harsh way. Get lost. Out. Out now. Get out. Okay, you don't want to go. Wait. This is what I'll do.
Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you
What are you people still doing there? Oh, you are still here. Get out of this compound right now. Get out this very minute. I will call the youth to come and bundle you out of there. Get out. Get out. You murderer. I will make you pay for this. Get out. Take it away from this compound. Now. Get out now. Okay, wait for me. Wait, I'm coming.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can.
something like this was going to happen. Hey! Hey! Chibo! You see it? That your Dr. Beats or Bean or whatever she's called. Virtually everyone in this village begged her, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at this. We cannot go, Mon. Go.
Mama, why are you talking like this? Why are you making it look like I didn't put in my effort? Mama, you know I tried. Mama, I tried though. I tried. Mama, I so hate myself right now. I just wish this horrible would have swallowed me.
What has happened? Maybe if I had listened to him, this wouldn't have happened. It wouldn't have happened. I need to kill him. I didn't for this to happen. Oh no.
See, you don't have to kill yourself.
I didn't forgive myself. I could not even ask him to forgive me. I could not ask him to forgive me.
I understand, but see, I know where BK is right now. He's forgiving you. So stop crying, please.
It's okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay wherever you are.
It's okay. It's okay. Please forgive me.
Forgive me. I didn't want this to happen. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry for waiting. You see, I'm only hearing this for the first time.
Please,
let's go inside my office.
No, I'm okay here. Let me just lay my complaints and walk out of here. Please. I went to see Dr. Beatrice in her office, but she would not listen to me. She would not attend to the young man. Now the young man is dead. She had the guts to come to my house, apologizing and all whatnot.
I'm so sorry about it.
Listen, doctor, we are going to take Dr. Beatrice to court. Can I show you that?
No. There's not going to do that. But why didn't you complain earlier?
I was here earlier to see. But the stupid security man would not allow me in. And when eventually I got in, the nurse at the reception said you were in the theater. Can you imagine that?
Chief, we're sorry about the both there. But the truth of the matter is that at the time that young man was rushed to this place, he was already in a critical condition. And we tried our best.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about that young girl who calls herself a doctor. She contributed to the death of BK. I can assure you, we will not allow this to lie. We were going to take her to court and she will not go unpunished.
We're sorry. I promise you we're going to investigate this matter. And if what you said now is true, she will not go unpunished.
Let's do that quickly. Do it quickly.
And another thing I don't understand is about the medical history you're talking about.
Doctor, that belongs to the past. It's history now. I'm not here for that. All I'm here to make sure Dr. Beatrice is punished. That's all.
It's okay. We're not taking it for granted.
We'll be waiting.
Thank you, sir.
Please, madam, we don't have all the time to wait. We're not going to wait for so long. I understand. She must not go punished.
Okay. Thank you. Dr. Beatrice, why? Why taking your anger to the community?
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you
Beatrice, why? Why? How could you be this careless and wicked? Why? Just because you've been posted to a rural area?
Doctor, so sorry. I blame myself for everything that has happened. God knows I'm going to live with this guilt all my life. My mouth
taste of guilt, doctor. Sorry.
But why? Why, Dr. Beatrice? Why? Anyway, this is not my business. The disciplinary committee has found you guilty of negligence of duty and you've been suspended indefinitely.
Doctor, please, kindly help me do something.
Nothing. I am not among the disciplinary committee.
Doctor, you can do something.
There is absolutely nothing I can do about it.
Doctor, please.
I said no. No, don't even go there. Don't go there. Get up.
Doctor, please.
Please excuse me, I have something important to do. Please.
Please, I am begging you. Please.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride.
Obioma! Get your Dr. Bean or Beans, whatever it's called. You need to tell her to leave this village immediately. They're planning to attack her.
Mama, who now? Ichubi and some of the youth leaders.
They will kill her. Mama!
just to put humanity first. You know, I've learned so much from you. Humanity first. Mama, I have to. Am I going to see you? Yes, Mama, of course. I will today. Okay, Mama, take care of me.
I will. I'm choice. I'm choice. Okay, Mama. Bye-bye. Why you crying? I will. Papa no get speed.
Forget your problems. Forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show a little kindness. Do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short